My video guide will give you instructions that will help you to remove fake Windows Defender alerts that come from the random website. For instance, now it comes from the site that has got this cloudfront.gq in the end. The pop-up is absolutely deceptive. It is not related to Windows, it is not related to Microsoft. In fact, these pop-ups could be the result of some adware enabled in the system. The pop-up indicates some scary information mentioned in French. It says that Windows a été bloqué en raison de l'activité douteuse. This means that Windows has been blocked for the security reasons because of some suspicious activity or something like that. In reality, these are fake alerts, and this telephone number used in these pop-ups is a fake Windows support number. The number is +32 460 229 899. You should not trust this deceitful alert because its mission is to mislead you and to make you call this telephone number, which is a fake Windows support number. If you call it, you may hear some online criminals who will try to convince you into downloading some potentially unwanted software or subscribing to some paid services, or perform some other actions that may result in financial loss on your part. So do not trust these deceitful messages. They are the typical online scam. What you should do, first of all, is to check the control panel of your system and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. Sometimes the adware may be visually discovered through the list of the programs. But it might happen that visually the system is free of threats, but some strange ads keep popping up and disturbing your attention. I strongly advise that you perform the thorough research of your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and begin carefully checking your system with its help to detect and delete all other hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.